Hello. Welcome to another edition of Everyday Vlogger. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. All I know is that I'm going to be wearing a shrimp suit today, or something like that. And today's gonna be weird. So let's do this. So this is pretty badass. Not gonna lie. Apparently this is called the Hope Walk. I'm not sure right now at this moment what it's for, but that is what we're here for. And I don't know. We'll see. 4th annual Hope Walk. Bam, let's do it.
Alright, we have to get into this giant Shrimp Louie costume that has a top hat. You're not going to be able to move your arms much more than this. And
Oh my
you
God.
can't see your feet. That's why you have to have a Shrimp Louie handler.
No way. You can't even...
No, you have to have tunnel vision because you'll entirely knock out a kid. Like, I annihilated a kid one time at the boat race that was here 2 weeks ago. I straight up punted him. It was so bad, and I just see him fly, and then Mom.
Where are we going? What the?
Let's go to the bathroom because
It's like the most secluded place.
you need to help me put it on. You need help because you have to be diapered underneath and suited up like a body of armor.
No way. It's gonna be epic.
So you have to make sure that I don't annihilate any kids with my 2 feet tall Shrimp Louie tail.
Oh my God. All right.
Yeah. It's pretty brutal, man.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're going.
No smoking. Holy shit! It's a waterfall machine. Look, have you ever seen one of these?
No, it's not fun.
Look, it's like a waterfall. Watch.
I never seen it. I've never seen it like that. Does it normally do that?
I don't. I've never seen one fill up like that. No.
Do they all look like a waterfall?
Yes, they all have a waterfall. I know.
That's what you do, yeah.
Yeah.
Top hat and everything.
All right. So how do we do this?
Alright,
What
you
about
have to help me.
put the hat on?
No, you help me get into everything. Look, why the freak can't they just put one more finger? Why does it have to be cartoon fingers? Seriously, what's the trouble of just putting one more finger?
Right.
Alright, and now below, hold on, now below, in between my legs, there is this strap that you have to Velcro and button.
In between your legs.
In between my legs, yeah.
There we go.
Spread them.
There you go. Much better. All right. Where's that?
It's your feet right there. You got it.
It's not Velcro. Oh shit! I didn't see that.
Oh, yours.
Yeah. Hold on.
And then there's 3
Lock it in.
buttons.
Yep. Doing that right now. Boom. Woo!
I feel like before a game or something. Put the head on.
Yep. Just letting you know there is someone peeing right there.
Alright, now put it more forward.
Yeah.
There we go.
That's it?
Alright. So I can't do this, I can't talk at all, so you have to speak for me. They don't know that I'm a girl, they don't know I'm a boy, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, now put all
Except for him.
the stuff in the one bag.
Alright.
I can't see.
Unbelievable. First picture already. Unbelievable.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
There's a jet car right there. Pretty badass. Probably goes 300 miles an hour.
Yeah, but they think like swim.
This one gets better mileage, that's for sure. You got me beat there. As I'm filling up for gas, you'll go kind of one way flying.
Yeah.
There should be more people here a little bit later because there's going to be activities and stuff.
Yeah.
Once again, I want to remind everybody to go ahead and check out the clinic.
Are you a girl shrimp or a guy? Let me see you walk. Let me see you walk. Okay, you're a girl. Okay. You're a girl.
Yeah, there she is. She's gonna wave. She's gonna look back and wave.
Why do you think that's so
That's hilarious. It's just coming back.
Good job. All right, keep going, keep going. Let's see the butt kickers. Good, there they are. Pump the arms, pump the arms. And defense. Good job. Defense. Oh, now they're coming out quick. Defense. Let's go back to the jumping jacks, guys. Jumping jacks. Oh, we still got a couple minutes left for this 2 minutes.
Cotton candy, baby. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Get it. Get it.
It's gonna, once the green gets all, it'll start turning blue.
Huh?
Oh, can we stop it?
Yeah,
I don't want one.
Oh.
That's a good one.
That's good.
Awesome. And we're getting paid to eat cotton
Yeah, we're getting
candy.
paid to eat cotton candy, $10 an hour. $10 an hour. Gracias.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
We're blocking all the kids.
Oh well. My turn.
High five. Take a picture with you, Elena. Take a picture with you.
And Bubba Gump Shrimp is in the house. Somebody make some noise for Bubba Gump. He's been here all day. He's been here all morning long, man. He's been kicking butt, dancing to my music, and
Watch
just
out.
kind of whacking kids around with his tail and just knocking them over, and just literally on purpose. So that's what we will do. You know, that's what Bubba Gump is. We had a lot of fun with him.
Oh!
Why did you just wave?
Are you ready?
Shrimp. Louie, look down.
Came running for you.
Can you give him a high five?
Give him a high five.
Hi, Shrimp. Hey, Bubba Gump Shrimp. What do you think about that? Wait.
Where are you guys located?
We're just a mile up the road, next to Jetties and Guanabanos.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, dance with that shrimp. Yeah. High five. Good girl. That shrimp's dancing. That shrimp's dancing. Dancing with that shrimp. The giant shrimp.
Don't use me as a body shield. They're out. Run, Jubilee.
Wow. This was the most, I've never done anything like this before, so it was kind of awkward at the beginning going up to kids going. But the dog part was fun. Sweating my ass off. You did a great job today. I always say today. We'll see you next week maybe or something like that.
Sounds good to me, bro.
Remember people, this is Alyssa. You might see her more. And
Hope
say something crazy.
No.
Woo! Alright, just now leaving Taco Bell, because you know, yo quiero Taco Bell. See? See? Yo quiero Taco Bell. Yo quiero Taco Bell. I miss that dog. Remember the talking dog? Chalupa freaking, what the heck was it? Chihuahua? Oh my god, that was my favorite Taco Bell commercials, but Mexico got angry, so they had to take those commercials down. If you guys didn't know why, there's no more of those commercials with the Chihuahua. Yo quiero Taco Bell. But I'm off to work another 8 hours, and I'm gonna have to go home and edit not only this video, but still yesterday's video, and put yesterday's video up tonight. So that's why it was a little late. Because, you know, working like 13 hours. So, whew. Alright guys, I love you. Hope you guys liked today's video. Like it, favorite if you must, and of course dislike if you're almost crashed just now, but it's all good because it's for you guys. Almost crashed for you. Huh? Huh? Peace. How you doing? Welcome to another edition of Everyday Blogger. Oh shit. Should I leave my garage door open? No, I shouldn't. I was about to leave my garage door open, people. That wouldn't have been cool, wouldn't it? Probably not. Stay right there, Chloe. Stay right there with the people. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Have you guys missed her? Do you guys? Oh, give me a kiss. Yeah, see? And there's a popo next to us, so I thankfully put my seatbelt on just in time to talk to you guys and to not get caught by that cop. So we're gonna go out to eat.